Hello and welcome to Craft Divas. So today we are going to be making a coloring t-shirt for my baby boy, cause now he is 4, but he loves Mario now. That's his new theme, Mario and Luigi. So that's what we're going to be making today. So I went to Google and I got a Mario coloring page, and we're going to I saved it and imported it into the Silhouette Studio. And how I did that was I went to Google and I typed in what I'm looking for. And this is the one that I want. So I just took and I went to save image as, save it under my folder, and it came down here. Once it went there, I just took and drag it on. So let me do that. I took and drag it from the downloads to my Silhouette. And boom. And then I just made it big. So his shirt, of course he's a baby, so it'll be smaller. So what you do is you would measure the shirt. I'm not doing this part on camera, or where you want it at. So I want it to be the shirt is so wherever you want it to be at on the shirt, make sure you have a measure and save the measure. So it's about 10.5 inches wide, and I can do, alright, so I can do somewhere between 10 and 10. I'm gonna just delete that one. So I am going to first take and trace this. So I went to the trace panel, click on trace, and there we go. I'm going to trace them. And you can put that to the side or get rid of it, whatever you want to do. Up to you. And this is what I want. So I'm going to size it up. So it's 8 long, 6 wide. Make them a little wider. And I'm going to have a lot of weeding to do. That's for sure. Now, after I do that, why did I click off it? I want to take and right click. Or do I want to right click? Let me do this first. Alright, there we go. I don't want to right click. That's what I want to do. And take away the red. So that's going to be how my picture is going to look. So again, what I did was I took the picture. I went to trace. And I'm a very honest person. I'm still learning Silhouette as well. So you learn it as I'm learning. And I went to trace. So when I went to trace, you put your pictures to the side. And this is what you have right here. But we want to make it look like something that you will color in. So you want to go back to the color panel, change in black, and then go up here to the line fill, which you can do it there or here. and take it away. That way all you have is that. So now this is how he looks. And then he would print out, he would cut like this, and you color him in. See? So go ahead and size him up to whatever size you want him to be. And I think that 8x7 is good. Yeah. And I would hit send. And that is how it's going to cut out on whatever color vinyl you are going to cut it. Of course, you would cut it on black so it can look like a coloring page. So the shirt will basically look like it's a coloring shirt. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and get this cut and weed. And then I'll probably come back on to show you guys. I'll come back on to show you guys how to press it on the shirt. So let me go ahead and get the weeding done and see you guys soon. Hello, welcome Divas, welcome back. So right now I'm just weeding out my Mario for my baby, so I can place it on the shirt and he can color. So go ahead, and I started some already, and it's it's coming along very well. I love it. Makes me want to make one for myself. And you almost done. I only have like a few more pieces left. I'll go ahead and finish these up, and then I will show the finished product once I am done weeding and pressed it on the shirt. Thank you guys. All right, and here is the finished product. Yeah, look at that thing, so nice. Love it. So, and then all he would do is color in, and you use washable markers, or they have fabric markers, like some kind of fabric washable markers or something like that you can use as well. That way when you wash it, rinses off, and they can color it, start all over. Now, if you do this, definitely want to make sure you put something in the middle when they're coloring, so the color won't seep through. So I'm actually going to make a little board for him the size of the shirt, so he can put so I can put it in the middle when he's coloring, and it won't affect the back or anything like that. But yeah, that's it. That's a done deal. Hope you guys like it. Thank you guys for watching. You have a great day.
I said, don't stop talking to me. Stop